I sometimes think that infrastructure has so many metaphors. I'm still playing with which one is the best.
You use the term cultural infrastructure as conversations. Can you elaborate on that thought of conversations are the cultural infrastructure?
Yeah, it's this idea that conversations are often like overlooked or undervalued, but as we know, communication is the thing that makes everything work well. And so by making it more explicit, by exposing it, then we can actually address it and fix it. So think about like a building, right? You don't see the steel beams, but if one had a little fracture at the bottom, you'd fix it right quick so the building didn't fall over. And I think this is what happens with the quality of our conversations internally is we're like, oh yeah, that team doesn't really report issues early, but that's okay. That's the manager's problem to fix. Or, this person continues to treat their patch and they're really controlling about their communication, but we'll just leave that for later. And it's something where it compounds and it creates quite a much larger problem over time. So I'm always trying to, or I think the point of it is to treat it as load bearing, to treat conversations as critical pieces of your culture and invest in both the skill and the will and encouraging people why it's important to communicate. And it's sort of like, it's really quite a buzzword right now about psychological safety and creating safe workplaces. To have safety, you have to have trust. You have to have some relationship, feel safe to go and talk to someone that comes from relationships. And the only way you can build relationships is by talking to each other. So that's sort of how I paint the flow. And I guess when it comes, like I sometimes think that infrastructure has so many metaphors. I'm still playing with which one is the best. If you think about it, like road infrastructure, there's a maturity. So like a polite culture where we just do surface level transactional chat is a little 2-lane road, right? You're only communicating what you need to get the job done, no big deal. But if you move all the way up into a powerful conversation model where you're actually having that give and take, you're giving feedback in real time, you're escalating issues, you're more honest with each other, and you're encouraging each other in your growth and adaptability. There's more candor. That's like a super freeway, right? Like you can zoom along because there's nothing in the way, there's no clogging, you're just going. And so this conversational maturity is another piece of it. You can tell that this is new IP because it's a bit messy the way I'm explaining it.
I think it's very